For enchiladas, we're gonna put some tomatillo, green tomatillo, some jalapeno, chilies, probably about 2 or 3 of them, and then half an onion, and we're gonna shred some chicken also, just 2 teeth of garlic, a little bit of salt. Well, I love salt. So now, when they changed color, like from bright green to kind of a yellowy, boiling for a little while, then they're ready to be chopped. Now you put them all for blending. Everything. All the onions, everything. And there you go. Go and blend it. Perfect. Next you're gonna need a Pyrex. You're gonna do tortilla per tortilla. You're gonna need shredding to prepare every enchilada. And you already have blended to disintegrate 100% all the ingredients for the salsa. So you put the tortilla just like that. You don't need to do more than that. Okay, put it there. Now you're gonna transport it. Once it doesn't need to be, it's just to be plenty. And you put it there, and then you're gonna put a little bit of chicken. Then you're gonna shred it inside. You can keep going. See, you put a shredded chicken, make a kind of like a taco, make a hole, put it there, very nice, and keep going. A little bit more tortillas, using just canola oil, right? Turn it over, keep going very nicely. So you make sure absorbs all the oil. And then you take a little bit more of chicken. It's already just boiled chicken. And there you go, you have one more. And keep going until you fill up the whole thing. This is enchiladas. So how do you know the tortilla is ready? Well, because it absorbs enough oil that it becomes soft. And you can do the shredding or leave it on chunks. That's one way people like it. Another way, it's very, very shredded. And depends on the preference of everyone. You can try both. Obviously, you have to keep putting oil because it keeps absorbing, and you have to be very careful because you may burn your fingers a little bit, but you finally get used to it, you know. And the last step is we're gonna pour the tomatillo green salsa with garlic and onion all around very nicely. And then we're gonna put some cheese, mozzarella cheese, all over. Try to cover it very nicely, plenty of it. Don't be shy, go for it. This is not for a diet, who cares? Alright, and then you're gonna put it in the oven just for broil. Okay? You go on high is good, maybe low. Okay, so we have it here. Right. Let's open this. Okay, that's the perfect cooking. Okay, enchiladas, super nice. There you go. Finished.